In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PayPal business account permanently, step by step. Whether you're switching platforms or simply closing up shop, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and precisely. So let's get started on tidying up your online business presence today. First, you're going to want to access the PayPal homepage, open up your web browser, and go to the PayPal dashboard by typing in the website address or clicking through from a saved bookmark if that's more convenient. Once you're logged in with your business credentials, navigate to the main dashboard where you can see all your business overview and activities. Now take a moment to locate your profile settings. This is usually represented by a small gear icon. Clicking this icon will lead you to a variety of options pertaining to your account management. It's important to pay attention to this part, as these settings control how your account functions and how your personal and business information is displayed. Once you're in your profile settings, you'll want to look for the section labeled Account Type. Clicking on the account type will give you further options to manage or change your account. Here, you've arrived at the crucial step. This page provides insights into the structure and type of PayPal account you currently hold. Now, from this section, you'll be able to move forward to the final steps of closing the account. Moving on, it's time to finalize the closure. On the account type page, look closely for the option that says Close Account. This option, though fairly discreet, is your gateway to permanently removing your PayPal business account from the system. Click on Close Account and PayPal will guide you through the final steps needed to ensure everything is ready for closure. Before you close your account, it's wise to handle a few tidbits like downloading any financial records or transaction histories you might need for future reference. Also, ensure that any pending transactions are completed, and consider informing your clients to avoid any confusion. Once everything is settled, proceed with the closure and PayPal will finalize the process. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully closed your PayPal business account. Remember, closing your account is irreversible, so double check that this decision is right for you before proceeding. I hope this guide provided clarity and assisted you in navigating the process without any hiccups. Thanks for joining today, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Until next time, take care.